Let's have fun in English. Your channel. To make your English from zero to hero.
English common questions and sample answers in daily life. Part 3. Question 46. How are you? How are you? Sample answers. I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Not too good, but I'll be okay. Question 47. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to the store. I need to buy something. Question 48. What are you going to do today? What are you going to do today? I'm going shopping. Question 49. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am reading a book. I am washing dishes. Question 50. Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? I would like to go to the zoo. Question 51. What's the matter? What's the matter? I'm not feeling so good. Nothing. I'm fine. Question 52. Is there anything I can do to help? Is there anything I can do to help? No thanks, everything is okay. Question 53. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? I am just thinking. I was just daydreaming. It's none of your business. Question 54. What did you do last night? What did you do last night? I watched TV. I cooked pasta and soup. Question 55. What are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow? I'm going to go play volleyball at the beach. Question 56. What sports can you play? What sports can you play? I can play tennis, basketball, and football. Question 57. Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? No problem. I'm afraid I can't. Question 58. Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? I'd be happy to help you. Question 59. Could you please give me that book? Could you please give me that book? Sure. Here you are. I'm sorry, I'm still reading it. Question 60. Would you mind opening the window? Would you mind opening the window? It would be my pleasure. Question 61. How can I help you? Or, may I help you? How can I help you? Or, may I help you? Yes. I'm looking for a sweater. Question 62. Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Sure. The changing rooms are over there. Question 63. Can I try it on somewhere? Can I try it on somewhere? The fitting room is in the left corner. Question 64. What size do you wear? What size do you wear? Medium should be fine. Question 65. What size do you take? What size do you take? I take a size 11. Question 66. Is that a good fit? Is that a good fit? It's a little too small. It's just right. Question 67. Have you got something bigger? Have you got something bigger? Of course, we've got larger sizes as well. Question 68. How much is it? Or, how much does it cost? How much is it? Or, how much does it cost? It's $11. Question 69. How would you like to pay? How would you like to pay? I would like to pay by cash. Question 70. Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card? Certainly. We accept all the major cards. Question 71. Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? No. Thanks. Question 72. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Great. Never better. Really awful. Question 73. How was the party? How was the party? It was a good time. It's boring. I couldn't wait to get out of there. Question 74. Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? We need a few more minutes. I'd like a cake, please. Question 75. Would you like chicken or pasta? Would you like chicken or pasta? I'll have the chicken. It's all for this session. Bye for now.